All right, general overview of the Sniper EFI system. So we love these systems, done a ton of them. These are available in different colors, gold, black, and polished. Happen to do like the black. This powder coated finish really gives it a nice classic look. So the kit comes with what's needed in order to do a conversion from a carbureted setup over to EFI. So just quickly, you'll have the 3/8 fuel line, your coolant temperature sensor, oxygen sensors. The throttle body has the built-in sensors, has the fuel pressure sensor, your map sensor, throttle position sensor, idle air control, your hookups for 4 main hookups for hot, negative, going to the fuel pump, etc. So they're all there, it's built in. The throttle blades are down below here. I'll just open them up quickly where I can with one hand here. There, the throttle linkage is the same linkage as a standard Holley carburetor. So that's nice. You'll have your handheld gauge where you put the final plug-ins for the parameter of your engine, whether it be stock, a little more aggressive. The key to this system is that you have good fuel pressure. So usually this operates around 58 to 60 PSI. And again, this will only work as good as the engine. So if you have a healthy engine, and it's gonna run well. You can have this set up to run without the timing controlling it, or with the timing controlling. If you are controlling the timing, there's gonna be a few more setups that are needed. For more of a stock engine, honestly, without the timing control, I think it does a great job. Something that's more extensive, you can look into controlling the timing. You'll have your necessary feeds and lines for your fittings here, your oxygen sensor hookup, the fuel pump, the fuel filter, the post and the pre-filter, and then your remaining harnesses, and it comes with a full set of instructions. So it's all available through tdmotion.com.